And then you have the head tilt too, so that's what
I can only yell leg so much. I swear.
Well, that's what I was telling you, the really sad thing is when you're on, you actually think you're doing it.
You actually think you're going, but nothing changes. Yeah.
And you actually believe that you're doing what everybody on the ground is telling you to do.
Yep. Come on, D. You got this, big man. Yep. She likes her right rein. Shayna, I'm telling you about your right rein right now, and you're going to see it in this.
Ben's like, thank you for saying that, because I didn't even have to say it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good girl. Woohoo! Good girl, Shayna. I like tell them they're good girls, and I feel like I'm talking to like a dog or something. I know.
It's good with the little kids, and then when you get into adults,
I can't help it.
I'm not 5. I'm like, I know.
Oh, we had a refusal. Come on. Right rein. You got this, girl.
Pull him back in. He's just screwing in that left lead. You see that? Wham!
She's pissed now.
Go, go, go.
You got this. Good girl. Good job. It's all right. Change it up. The ring gets small, like I said. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Good girl. Love it. Good job. I love what I can see through my little camera. That's all I can see.
It's not bad. Good woman.
Good job. She's only jumped him like 3 times at all this year, too.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.